A land untouched, stepping into northern Pakistan. Just saying the name sends a shiver of excitement down my spine. This is a land of giants, where mountains pierce the sky and valleys whisper ancient stories. Forget your bustling cities and crowded streets. Up here it's just you and nature, raw and powerful. Imagine a place where the air is crisp and clean, carrying the scent of pine and earth. The sun paints the mountain peaks gold, then red, then a deep satisfying purple as it dips below the horizon. This is the magic of northern Pakistan, and it's calling adventurers like us to explore its secrets. Whether you're trekking through meadows carpeted with wildflowers, or gazing up at glaciers that glitter like diamonds, northern Pakistan is a feast for the senses. It's a place to challenge yourself, to connect with nature, and to discover a world unlike any other. So, pack your bags, grab your boots, and let's get started. Guardians of the Sky, the mighty Karakoram Range. This isn't just a mountain range, it's the backbone of northern Pakistan, a majestic expanse that stretches across the horizon, commanding respect and admiration, a fortress of rock and ice that dominates the landscape. These mountains are not just geographical features, they are the very essence of the region's identity. Here, you'll find some of the tallest mountains on Earth, including the legendary K2, which stands as a testament to nature's grandeur and the human spirit's resilience. A peak that tests even the most experienced climbers. Scaling K2 is not just a physical challenge, but a mental and emotional journey, pushing climbers to their limits. Standing at the foot of these giants, you can't help but feel humbled. The sheer scale and raw beauty of the Karakoram Range leave an indelible mark on all who visit. The sheer scale of them is awe-inspiring. Each peak tells a story of geological forces and time, sculpting the landscape into a masterpiece. Look closer, and you'll see glaciers, rivers of ice that have carved their way through the mountains over millennia. These glaciers are the lifeblood of the region, feeding rivers and sustaining ecosystems. They're a stark reminder of the power of nature. The glacier's slow but relentless movement shapes the land, a testament to the enduring force of natural processes. It's a sanctuary for rare and endangered animals, like snow leopards and brown bears. These creatures find refuge in the rugged terrain, away from human encroachment. And for the people who call this place home, it's a source of life, providing water for their crops and grazing land for their animals. The mountains are intertwined with their daily lives and cultural heritage. It's a delicate balance, and one that we, as visitors, must respect. Our presence should honor the natural and cultural significance of the Karakoram, ensuring its preservation for future generations. Nestled among the towering peaks are valleys of breathtaking beauty. Imagine emerald green rice terraces clinging to the slopes, apricot orchards bursting with color, and crystal-clear streams rushing through the valley floor. But Hunza isn't alone. These valleys are home to ancient forts perched precariously on cliffs, remnants of a time when these routes were vital trade links. They're also home to warm and welcoming people, known for their hospitality and their deep connection to the land. Nature's canvas, where colors dance and rivers flow. This is a place where every season brings a new palette, a new story painted by the hands of time. One of the things that makes northern Pakistan so special is the incredible diversity of its landscapes. From towering mountains that touch the sky to serene valleys that cradle rivers, the region is a mosaic of natural beauty. In the springtime, the valleys explode into a riot of color as wildflowers bloom across the meadows. Each flower, a brushstroke in nature's masterpiece, adds to the vibrant tapestry that stretches as far as the eye can see. Apricot, apple, and cherry blossoms paint the orchards in shades of pink and white. These blossoms not only signal the arrival of spring but also promise the bounty of fruits that will follow. Then there are the rivers. They wind through the valleys, their clear waters reflecting the sky and nourishing the land. The mighty Indus, the lifeline of Pakistan, carves its way through the mountains, its turquoise waters a stark contrast to the surrounding rock. This river has shaped the land and the lives of those who dwell along its banks for millennia, and flowing into the Indus are countless smaller rivers and streams, each one teeming with life. These waterways are the veins of the landscape, bringing vitality to every corner they touch. Look up and you might spot a golden eagle soaring overhead, or a lammergeier circling on the thermals, its wingspan wider than you are tall. These majestic birds are the guardians of the skies, watching over the land below. Listen carefully, and you might hear the whistle of a marmot, or the distant call of a snowcock. These sounds are the symphony of the wild, a reminder of the untamed beauty that thrives here. Northern Pakistan is a paradise for nature lovers, a place where you can truly immerse yourself in the wild. Here, every step is a journey into the heart of nature, where the landscapes tell stories of time and the air is filled with the whispers of the wild. Section 5. The Call of the Wild Encounters in the High Altitude. This chapter takes us to the breathtaking heights where nature's wonders unfold in their most raw and untamed form. This region is a haven for rare and elusive creatures. The untouched wilderness here is a sanctuary for wildlife that thrives in these harsh conditions. High in the mountains, you might be lucky enough to spot a snow leopard, its white coat blending seamlessly with the snow and rock. These magnificent predators are masters of stealth and survival. These elusive cats are a symbol of the wild beauty of this region. Their presence is a testament to the rich biodiversity that these high altitudes support. But it's not just the big cats that call this place home. The mountains are alive with a variety of wildlife, each species uniquely adapted to the rugged terrain. Keep an eye out for ibex, their curled horns a testament to their agility as they navigate the steep slopes. These sure-footed animals are a marvel to watch as they scale seemingly impossible heights. You might see a Marco Polo sheep, the largest sheep in the world, grazing on the high pastures. Their impressive size and majestic horns make them a sight to behold. And let's not forget the birds. The skies and trees are teeming with avian life, each species adding its own melody to the symphony of the mountains. From majestic eagles soaring high above to brightly colored kingfishers darting by the rivers, there's a symphony of birdsong echoing through the valleys. Each bird plays a crucial role in the ecosystem, and if you're really lucky, you might even catch a glimpse of a Himalayan brown bear, a powerful creature that commands respect. These bears are a rare sight, embodying the raw power of the wilderness. Remember, these animals are wild and we are just visitors in their home. Our presence should be respectful and non-intrusive. Observe them from a distance and let's keep it that way. By doing so, we ensure that these magnificent creatures continue to thrive in their natural habitat, undisturbed by human interference. Section 6. Echoes of the Past. Forts, Folklore, and Festivals. These are ancient forts perched atop hills and guarding strategic passes. These forts have witnessed the ebb and flow of empires, and their crumbling walls whisper tales of battles fought and won. The people here are known for their warm hospitality and their rich cultural traditions. Each valley has its own unique music, dance, and cuisine. Sit down with a local family, share a cup of salty butter tea, and listen to their stories. Experience the vibrant colors and rhythms of a traditional dance performance. Learn about the ancient folklore and legends passed down through generations. From the lively festivals to the intricate handicrafts, northern Pakistan offers a glimpse into a way of life that has remained largely unchanged for centuries. Section 7. Warm Hearts Under Cold Peaks. The people of the North. One of the things that will stay with you long after you leave northern Pakistan is the warmth and hospitality of the people. Despite the harsh conditions they often face, they are incredibly welcoming and generous. They have a deep respect for their environment and a strong sense of community. Whether you're sharing a meal with a local family or simply exchanging smiles with a shepherd tending his flock, you'll be struck by their genuine kindness. They are eager to share their culture and traditions with visitors, and they take pride in showing off the beauty of their homeland. Their resilience and spirit are truly inspiring. They understand that life in the mountains is a partnership with nature, a delicate balance that must be maintained. And it is this deep connection to their land that makes the people of northern Pakistan so special. Section 8. Responsible Exploration, Treading Lightly on Sacred Ground. Northern Pakistan's beauty is fragile. As visitors, we have a responsibility to protect this incredible environment and preserve it for future generations. That means treading lightly, leaving no trace of our presence. Choose eco-friendly tour operators who prioritize sustainable practices. Respect local customs and traditions. Don't litter and be mindful of your water and energy consumption. Every small action counts. By embracing responsible tourism, we can help ensure that northern Pakistan's natural and cultural heritage remains intact. Remember, we are guests in this extraordinary land, and it is our duty to treat it with respect. Section 9. A Journey for the Soul. Why Northern Pakistan Beckons. So why should northern Pakistan be on your adventure list? Because it's more than just a destination, it's a journey for the soul. It's a chance to disconnect from the hustle and bustle of everyday life and reconnect with nature in its rawest, most awe-inspiring form. It's a place to challenge yourself physically and mentally, to push your limits and discover hidden strengths. But it's also a place to simply be present, to breathe in the fresh mountain air, and to appreciate the simple things in life. Northern Pakistan will stay with you long after you've left. The memories of towering peaks, vibrant valleys, and warm hospitality will linger in your heart, beckoning you back to experience its magic once more. So, what are you waiting for? Adventure awaits.